Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at, and this one's going to be the watch face of the week. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at by Matteo Dini. This one is called MD119 Premium Hybrid Watch Face, and it's definitely an awesome look. The layout is nice, the design is nice, and the features and function that it offers is also awesome. Now, taking a look at this watch face in the always on mode, it looks nice. It's going to look the same as if the watch face was on, just dimmed down. Now, for the gears too, it's going to look slightly different, but it's going to also look awesome. Now, when the watch face is turned on, what you greet with, which is what I really like, is that all your information for your step status is sectioned off up at the top. So if you're looking for floors climb info, calories burned, miles walked around, your step info, your goal completed, heart rate info, all of that is going to be laid out at the top. Now also, of course, you know I love this one. You get the best of both worlds, which means that you get a nice analog watch face and digital time down at the bottom. And I'm loving the design and the look of the hour and the minute hand. I thought that was definitely a nice touch by MD. Now, if you come down, you're going to get info on your battery status right in the middle. It's lit up in LEDs as well as numbers. Now, up under that, you're going to get your month in, your weeks in, and your days within the year thus far. Now, across from it, you're going to get the days of the week. It's going to be highlighted to let you know where you are within the week so far as the days are concerned. You do get a moon phase up under that, along with your date and your digital time again. Now, this is definitely a good look. It's offering a lot of info in one watch face, and even going around the bezel of the watch, you get shortcuts like contacts, settings, your messages. You can make a phone call, check your music, weather, things of that nature, which makes this watch face really super convenient. Also, right here, if you tap, you can customize your shortcuts, right, to make it even just that much more convenient, not only on that side but over on this side as well. And I thought that was a great feature to add by Matteo Dini. Thank you, MD, for that one. Now also, it's interactive, so you can tap in certain areas of the watch face and it would definitely take you to where you need to go. Whether it be your weather, whether it be your heart rate information, you can tap there. I thought that was pretty cool. But what I noticed is that this is something that I have not seen in any watch face thus far. Maybe I just haven't gotten to that watch face, but this one here offers, count them up, 30 different background themes that you can set to this watch face depending on your mood, depending on how you feeling for the day, depending on what color you like. And I'm not going to cycle through all of them, but 30 I thought was an awesome number so far as background is concerned. This one here is nice. We're just going to cycle through a few of them just so you can see what this looks like or what you're in for when you download this watch face. I thought it was awesome. Look at the themes. Let's cycle through a few more just so you can get an idea as to what you're going to be in for. Matteo Dini, you got down on this one. Continue to do what you do. Now also, if you look in the center, there's a slight animation going on too that adds a little bit more character to the watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Let me know your thoughts on this one. I'm loving it. I thought MD got down on this one. So that's going to be it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your holiday. Eat, enjoy family and friends, have fun, but most of all, please be safe. All right, you all, if you haven't subscribed to the video, subscribe so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel, and hit the like button on the way out if you like the video. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care. That is a nice second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, right?